Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Pearls of Light. We are discovering the Quran here. What is the Quran? The Quran is a very special book. It is the word of Allah sent to us through Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Every word in the Quran is from Allah Himself and it has never been changed. That makes the Quran a miracle. The Quran starts with a surah, means chapter, called Surah Al-Fatiha and ends with Surah An-Nas. It has lessons, stories, and guidance to help us be kind, truthful, and closer to Allah. Unlike other sayings of the Prophet like Hadith Qudsi, Sahih Bukhari, and other which are from Allah, but in the Prophet's own word. The Quran is 100% the words of Allah just as they are revealed. The Quran teaches us how to live a good life here on earth and prepare for the beautiful life in Jannah. And also, there are few things to remember about the Quran, that the Quran has never been changed. Unlike other holy books, the Quran has never been edited for change. It has stayed the same for over 1400 years. Even kids all over the world memorize it word by word. No other book is memorized like this in the whole world. Fact: over 10 million people are Huffaz, means memorizers of the Quran today. Thank you.